Hi, I'm Minsuka, co-founder of Standard, and I look after product growth here at DORD. So, if you are a retail business operates on social media, you might face this issue of losing customers just because you couldn't reply fast enough. That's exactly why we built DORD. DORD is your smart sales agent that could reply fast enough so you can close more deals. So, Shakti and Kaviru will guide you everything you should know about DORD.
Hi everyone, so welcome to the DORD beta launch. I'm Shakti, the co-founder and the AI developer at DORD.
Yeah, I'm Kaviru and I'm also a developer here at Standard.
Yeah, so today we are gonna talk about some of the features of our new product DORD.
Yeah, so basically, starting from the beginning, first and foremost, the most important feature is that DORD replies instantly, every time and anytime. So that means our application supports you with 24/7.
So one of the main benefits of having an agent managing your chats and your social media is that it doesn't like tire.
Yeah.
It like replies to anyone 24/7 and 365 days.
And that means it handles the every action within the entire life cycle of the customer, from purchasing a product to getting a review and a feedback after the delivery.
Yes.
Yeah.
So one of the main benefits rather than our competitors is we have the control from the initial high to the final like delivering of the product. So there's nothing in between you have to interfere when it comes to when you implement DORD into your sales.
So I'm going to move a little bit into the tech side. So we have, I think, one of the fastest and one of the low latency chat agent right as of now.
Yes.
Yeah.
So in our testings, we have found that DORD replies within 2 to 3 seconds, which is very fast, even when compared to like high level models as well. There's no more scrolling, just chat. Remember that time when you want to purchase something in an e-commerce store, you have to scroll through millions of products and
Pages, especially skipping pages and using search filters and everything.
Yes.
Yeah.
After everything, you spend a lot of time to even to decide on what to buy. When it comes to DORD, we have reduced gap from like scrolling to just chatting.
I think the recent AI evolution or whatever it is, so it helped us to implement natural language understanding into DORD. With the large language models, now we support most of the queries that a user gets, and we use something called a tool call, and we handle the backend process through our platform. So you don't have to go to a search bar or anything. You just have to ask what are the products available, and if you know the product's name, you just have to ask the name if we have it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah. One other thing is if you are not sure what to purchase, we have a recommendation. It's a multi-agent architecture that we have used for the recommendation. So what it basically do is it search all throughout the internet for what are the things that, let's say for a party, if you need it's some kind of a dress for a party, it search what are the best dresses for a party, and it kind of get an understanding of what it should look like, and it compares with our products that we have in our catalog. And
about the catalog, we know that users are still they still go to websites, and there are some users who prefer the traditional cataloging. So we also provide that feature.
If you don't have a web presence, no need to worry. We'll give you a web presence. We have a catalog page which is only for you. You can share it anywhere and say it as your web presence.
Exactly. So DORD sells better than most of the other people could. That's I think basically because of our recommendation engine. It has a vast knowledge of what the user is looking for, and also it has the ability to respond to any query that the user might have.
Yeah. And so there might be cases that if you are a business owner, when you get like the same message for like 10 to 20 times a day, you kind of get frustrated respond in the same message.
Exactly. So if you are a one person business,
Yes.
so you know that when you wake up tomorrow morning, you have like hundreds of DMs that who are asking for the same question and same product,
Yes.
same price, everything. So we are managing that part. So you have to only focus on to getting the product,
Yes.
not the customer management. Yeah.
So with an AI, it doesn't get frustrated, it doesn't get angry on for any demand of the customer, it doesn't get angry.
I think we have also implemented something called guardrail.
Yes,
So
exactly.
it makes sure that the agent does not react in a way that could harm your brand or your.
And it doesn't like allow someone, maybe a hacker or some kind of a person with a harmful intent in order to like manipulate your agent to do something that it doesn't supposed to do.
So basically, you don't have to worry about
Yeah,
that
you don't
part.
have to worry about anything.
Yeah.
Just trust our agent.
Yeah. Because we are in Sri Lanka, I think every customer here in Sri Lanka
Yeah,
want
it is.
that Sinhala support.
Yes.
So
it is very important to like make every customer feel like you are only customer.
so we do support Sinhala, Tamil, and also Singlish. I
Yes.
think that is one of the
We
most
are currently
skills. Yeah.
working on Tamil actually.
Yeah. And also we have like multi-region support, and also it adapts. So initially the message can be in English. So when the user sends the query in Sinhala, it adapts very quickly and sends the next message in the way that they prefer.
Yeah,
So I think that is one of the main things that Sri Lankan users need. I think that is one of the main plus point for me to like this platform. of ours.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Another thing is our chatbot, like it gets some basic understanding of what are the preferences, what are the talk patterns of the customer, and it will adapt based on that.
And also we are like it's kind of like learning
Yes.
how what the user wants, and make sure that every time when a user sends a query, it replies in a way that the user actually feels like you are connecting with someone that you actually know. That is exactly what we try to accomplish through our application.
Never miss a repeat sale. When you like purchase something, there's a good chance that person, if satisfied with your customer experience, he or she will come back to the same place again.
And also I think getting the feedback after the sale, which is a really important thing that I think it's really hard for a single person who is running a business to handle with the number of sales and everything.
Yes. So once a sale is completed, most of the times from the seller side, they will forget about the customer. When the customer came back, they like want the business side to remember them
Exactly.
and give them some kind of a offer or something like that.
So that is something that we do with managing all the users and everything. So you don't have to manage your users, you don't have to have another CRM basically.
Yes.
We do that from our platform. So you just have to again get the product ready and deliver it properly.
Exactly. Another feature we have is we can let the businesses create their own feedback forms and send them to the customers after every order.
Yeah.
And with that, we have integrated a feature. After that form is submitted, we will allow them to create some kind of a user-generated content, which can increase the sale of the business.
Yeah.
In like organic traffic.
Yeah, exactly. And I think one of the key features is managing your ad campaigns and everything. So with DORD, you don't have to actually worry about finding the right audience because we have it from ourselves. So when a user orders their first purchase, from that moment forward, we are tracking that customer and we make sure that everything that you are selling on your platforms, we make sure that the end user get an idea what it is and when it's available, and if something is in the wish list, we make sure that when it is available, we notify them through our platform. And also I think with mostly with now with the targeted and personalized marketing campaigns and everything that is happening around the world is because of AI is turning into personalization. I think this is one of the best implementations of how a business can manage their customers' life cycles from the initial high to the next product.
Sale. That's basically it.
So you can go to DORD.live to get registered and use our platform. So we have actually put business enrollment. So you don't have to worry about anything. You just have to go to dot.live/businesses and register, and everything works from that place.
Yeah, exactly. There's it is super easy to configure for a business. If you don't have a technical background, or if you are not familiar with technicalities, you can just go to our platform and just register easily.
I think we will see you in about another 1 month or 2 months with the official product launch, and I
Yes.
think Shakti is working on different features. So
Yeah.
yeah.
There are a lot of features which will be coming.
And also, I
And-
think we missed one of the most important things. So, if you are a user and still you do have actually a great platform,
Exactly.
don't worry about it. We have our custom APIs. You just have to show us how to integrate it, and we will get that part done for you.
Exactly. We also do our customer integrations. If you are a business, large scale business, we do have custom solutions for you as well.
I think in our product plan, I think enterprise level is the thing that we want to reach in about, I think like in 60 to 90 days. That is where we are focusing on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think with that,
Yeah. Let's wrap
yeah.
up.
See you soon.